So hello friends, welcome back in my new video. So guys, today our topic is 13 PlayStation 5 tips to get the most out of your console. Did you finally get a Sony PlayStation 5? Here are the secrets to know, the settings to change, and the tricks to master once you set up the console. Modern consoles are more like PCs than ever before, but they still aim to offer the most streamlined gaming experience possible. Sony's PlayStation 5 serves that goal with a number of lesser known features that improve your gaming without a lot of hassle. On top of the improved graphical horsepower, here are the settings and shortcuts you should know about and change on day one if you can manage to get one. Migrate games and saves from your PlayStation 4. The PS4 may have a new features the PS5 doesn't, but chances are you want to play all your game old and new on the new powerful console. After all, some of those old PS4 games will run smoother than ever thanks to the PS5's built-in game boost, and you will get to make use of the more comfortable DualSense controller. You can transfer those games and your game saves to the PS5 over your network in just a few steps. Just head to settings, system software, and let data transfer to get started. It will take a bit of waiting, but hey, it's faster than downloading them from scratch. Set difficulty, performance, camera preferences. There are certain settings you probably tweak every time you get a new game. For example, I always put mine in performance mode if it exists and turn subtitles off. The PS allows you to set a number of default settings wide, so your game will switch to your favorite setting as soon as you launch them. Set your preferred difficulty, performance mode, camera control, subtitles, and video from settings. Save data in game app settings, game presets. Avoid spoiler in games when in games you are playing. Here an insanely clever feature for those who like some mystery in their games. With the PS5, you can avoid spoilers when the other players share screenshot and gameplay tips. Based on what you have played so far, open settings, save data and game app settings, spoiler warnings, and tweak your setting accordingly. You can hide specific spoilers identified by game developers or hide screenshots and clips from any part of a game you haven't played yet. Calibrate your HDR levels. If you have a relatively recent TV that's capable of HDR, you will want to make sure your PC is using it to the fullest extent. Not every TV has the same HDR capabilities, so by telling your PS5 how bright your set can get, it will ensure you see every detail while set getting that HDR pop. You might have done this calibration during setup, but if you are using a different TV since then, or if you have changed any TV settings, go to settings, screen and video, adjust HDR on your PS5 and run through the calibration again. You can read more about getting the best HDR experience on PS5 in our guide. Save battery on your controller. By default, the DualSense controller stays on when it's ideal, so you can pick it up and keep playing right away. But personally, I would rather save battery life when I am not using it. It's not a big deal to press the PS button when I come back. Under settings, pre-system power saving, you can get the time until your controller turns off. I will put it at lowest setting of 10 minutes to conserve as much battery as possible. DualSense vibration, volume, brightness. Speaking of the DualSense, Sony latest controller is its most advanced yet. But if you feel like those fancy haptics are a bit too strong and loud, or you don't like the built-in speaker, you can adjust them to your liking. Navigate to Setting Accessories Controller, where you can lower the controller speaker volume and lower the intensity of vibration and resistive triggers, and adjust the brightness of the built-in light bar. Get 3D audio on any pair of headphones. Many gaming headsets come with a virtual surround feature that tries to make your game audio more spacious and immersive. Some of these implementations are better than others, but Sony has some of the best visual surround processing in the business. I hope guys you enjoy this video. So guys, see you next video. Take care and goodbye.